Hey CA Gray, this is the first episode of Dream Factory News. We're your hosts, Zach Nallen
and Cambry Cerna.
This week we'll be talking about Spirit Week, vaping, Tardiness, and local fundraiser. For your first bit of news,
I still haven't had to use a close-up shot. Sorry, Miss Kelly.
Anyways, please stand for the pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you. And now for a moment of silence.
Let's not forget CA Gray's mission. Our mission is to provide a community of supports to all students, ensure a safe learning environment, and equip all students with strategies for a successful transition beyond the junior high level.
Now on to this week's news. First up, let's take a look at the weather with Darius McClendon.
Thanks, Ladarius. Hope the game on Friday doesn't get rained out. Hey, Zach, do you know what school events are coming up in the next few weeks?
Well, there are quite a few things that's coming up. First thing is that Spirit Week is this week. I hope everyone is dressed to represent their favorite band, artist, song, or genre today.
Tomorrow is 2 for 1 Tuesday, so dress up as a twin with your bestie or as your favorite dynamic duo.
Wednesday is Way Back Wednesday, so wear the best trends from another time.
Thursday is Time Travel Thursday. Dress up as a tourist or show off your dream vacation destination.
Friday is Fan Frenzy Friday, so come to school with your best Hog Wild outfit as we take on the Lincoln Trojans. We'll also be having a pep rally this Friday, so get excited.
The homecoming dance is on October 1st, 2022. Buy your tickets in the cafeteria before it's too late. Make sure you check out the dress code too.
8th grade band night is Monday, September 26th, and Friday, September 30th. All 8th and 9th grade band members who are not already in marching band may join the marching band for the practice and the homecoming game.
That's about it for this week. Now, for a commercial break.
Hey guys, my name is Archana Thomas and this is and have you guys ever did e-cigarettes?
Vaping is very bad for you.
It is. And now you guys want to go to our fellow classmates and we're gonna ask them have they ever did vaping. Have you ever vaped before?
No, I have not.
So do you think it's a good thing or a bad thing?
I think it's a bad thing because it can hurt your body and it can make you less able to do the stuff you want to do.
Amen. Do you know the effects to it?
Lung cancer, gum problems, and memory loss.
Have you ever vaped before? No. Okay. Have you ever been peer pressured to vape?
They tried to, yeah, but no, I've never done it.
That's a strong girl. Hey guys, we're here with our fellow principal, Miss Heidelberg, and we have a question for you. Have you ever vaped before?
No.
What do you think the bad cause of vaping is?
Well, there's so many unknowns about vaping. The chemicals inside the vape, they're just that chemicals, and we don't know yet. It's so new that we don't know what it's doing to the bodies. It's kind of like, think about when you're cleaning at home, they tell you not to put bleach and Ajax together, because if you put those two things together, it makes a chemical reaction. Well, just think about what you're putting in your body with a vape. There's a chemical reaction that's happening, and that's, we don't know what's going to happen in the end with that.
Thank you.
The Moultrie Fire Department is holding a cancer awareness donut fundraiser. Order your Krispy Kreme donuts today through October 10th by calling the number on the bottom of the screen. The donuts are $8 per dozen for glazed or $10 per dozen for chocolate. Proceeds will support Pink Heels. Every week we'll be featuring a school expectation. This week's featured rule is tardiness. Take it away, Ladarius. week's club rotation is HOSA, FFA, Spanish, Gentlemen's Club, Yearbook, Ladies, Drama, and Cyber Club.
Don't forget that it's Spirit Week. Wear your Spirit Week attire and make sure that you're on time to class every day this week.
Unfortunately, we did have to use a close-up shot. So, there's that.
Okay. Anyways, be respectful, be responsible, be safe, and always, always choose to work smart.
This is the Dream Factory News, signing off.